Using this one simple trick, you can make money just like this. This is one of the craziest methods that I am gonna show you right now. There is no technical work, and it doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner. You can start making money just like this, if you follow me every step that I'm gonna be showing you right now. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the main video. So first of all, I want you to come over to the Digistore24 website. And if you don't have an account, just create one. It's very simple, then log in to your account. So once you're in your Digistore account, then you're gonna click to this marketplace, and then you'll click all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now we're looking for the categories to the left side, and you're gonna click business and investment. After that, you're gonna sort the result by earnings cart visitor. And check this out, guys. This offer is gonna pay you $441 for one single sale. If you visit the sales page, you will see they have a webinar, free training, and it means it's a lot easier to get a sale on it, and you will make a 50% commission for one single sale, and this is gonna be your earnings $441. Okay, now we're going to the next step, and this step I want you to go to gmail.com. And you're gonna create a new account by clicking here create account, and then you'll click for myself, then fill out your information and create an account. So after that, once you logged into Gmail, now you're gonna click on this settings icon, then you will click see all settings. After that, you'll scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you wanna find this section vacation responder, and you'll click vacation responder on. Let me explain what this vacation responder does. So what it does is basically when someone will send you an email, then the sender will receive an automatic reply from you. Whatever message you've set up, they will receive your message. Here you'll write that message with the affiliate link. So first you're gonna write a subject here. You could type something like, make crypto without any skill. And here you're gonna say something like this. Hey, that's great that you're interested in making crypto. I can't explain to you here how much you can make a profit from crypto. There is a free training and other information already prepared for you. You will learn everything A to Z. Visit this link, it's waiting for you. Then you're gonna link this text by selecting like this, and you'll click to this link icon, and here you're gonna paste your affiliate link, and click OK. So after you finish writing the subject and the text, you're gonna save it by clicking this button Save Changes. Now moving to the last step, where you can actually find the targeted people who will be interested in cryptocurrency. But before we move on, guys, I want you to look at little bit bottom of your screen. And if you see this red subscribe button, I want you to click it for me, and make it white like this, so please subscribe, guys, for more videos like this. Okay, now this step you're gonna open your Facebook account, so don't skip, just watch exactly what I'm going to do. So once you come over to your Facebook account, now you'll click on to groups over here, and you'll search this keyword cryptocurrency. Make sure you're in the groups tab. So all you have to do now is join as many groups as you can. So as you can see, this group has 157K total members, which means you can easily get a sale per day, if you post to a few of these groups that I'm gonna show you how. So after you've joined some of these groups, then you're gonna post to these groups. Let me show you what you're gonna say. So you're gonna say just like this. First you'll type the title, 1 Bitcoin equals then its current price in dollars. Then you'll type, do you want to make cryptocurrency from home? Without any skill, without any experience. If you are interested, mail me at, then you'll put your email address. You can add an image like this to get more attention from people, or you can make your post more attractive if you can, and then finally you're gonna post it. After that, interested people are gonna email you for more information. Then they will get an automatic reply from your email with your affiliate link. You don't need to send any reply or message manually, because we already set up an autoresponder on our Gmail. So guys, there are high chances to get sales with it, and one sale means you're making $441. Can you imagine how much money is this? This is really a lot, so guys, do this in different groups. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.